Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yarn with Corepack on macOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have Homebrew installed on your macOS. Open your terminal application. Type the following command to update Homebrew. This ensures you have the latest package information. Bash brew update. Next, install node.js if you haven't already. You can do this by typing the following command. Bash brew install node. Once node.js is installed, verify the installation. Type node v in the terminal and hit enter. You should see the version number of node.js. Now, let's enable Corepack, which is included with node.js. Enter the command bash Corepack enabled. Next, with Corepack enabled, you can install Yarn. Type the following command in your terminal. Bash Corepack prepare Yarn. It's stable install. This command prepares Yarn for your use and installs it. To verify the installation, check the Yarn version. Type Yarn v in your terminal and press enter. You should see the installed version of Yarn displayed. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Yarn using Corepack on macOS. Now you can start using Yarn for your projects. If you encounter any issues, refer to the official Yarn documentation for troubleshooting tips. And that's it for this installation guide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.